Alright people, so in this video we're just gonna go over a quick launch from one of our partners in the program, and he's gonna basically launch his first sales campaign through the system, and we're gonna see how he prepared his entire campaign, the copy, the angle, his industry, who's he sending this outreach to, and a little bit more details about his business and what he wants to do exactly. So let's get to it. All right, people. So we're here. Dex is gonna launch his campaign, and we're just gonna ask Dex a couple of questions first, just so you guys can get clarity about like main focus and outcome that he wants for this campaign, his target, how he developed the campaign, and the process he went through, like for testing and all of that. We're here with Dex, like I mentioned, and Trey John on the background working on some stuff. Cool beans, Dex. All right, if you want to start just giving us a bit more clarity about what is the main drive to launch this campaign.
Absolutely, I can do such things. This is a long time coming to launch this campaign, but the beautiful part about it is we have tested and iterated and experienced and went back and forth for a very long time. So I just want to shout out, first of all, you two for putting this fantastic system together, and all the things that you do, as well as the inputs and all the things that we do. But one thing that I did want to point out is this campaign brain. I need you guys, when you're using this tool and you're using this system, to spend some time with your brain. This is a literal beast of a tool here. And as you can see, and I want to show this, here's me testing, iterating, testing. But today I knew we were going to launch. So what did I do? I came in here and said, hey, I'm getting ready to launch. Is there anything we need to do? Any improvements with anything you see? And then I had another question about my experience link. And it's, hey, love the energy. You're so close. It literally breaks down everything. What looks great. The question that we had, it gave me some options to how to achieve some issues that I had, and clean some things up. I then gave it a huge prompt here, just kind of letting it know how I want to package things, how I need this to be. And it literally busts me out with the whole flow. Stage 1, what happened, stage 2, stage 3, and so on. So the brain is going to be your companion. It is the one that even after your campaign launches, you come in here, you have a conversation with it. You says, what seems to be working, what seems to be getting good responses. You iterate and you grow. That's why whether you are a partner that is going to be running this or you're someone seeing this and is running it for you, you do not want to set it and forget it. You always want to come in here and find ways to be better. So
yeah, so the main reason why we built all of this and turn it into a platform for easy use was for the main reason that we want AI to empower you to focus on what you're the best at, right? Focus on your center of genius. So if, for example, Dex, in his case, he's good with the tech, he's technical, but he doesn't want to manage all the pieces of the infrastructure to run his system. So that's why we came down into, okay, so AI can help you set up your campaign, AI can help you write your outreach, AI can help you launch your list of contacts, AI can help you develop your entire system itself, and the infrastructure is already in place. The only thing you need to do is, like, that was the main thought process. We just want you to have AI on your side to guide you through all the steps on setting up a campaign and running it. And as you can see here, Dex, you started like at the very beginning was creating your campaign, and then it shows this page here, and then the first step you need to take on is talking with your campaign brain.
Yep.
Through the multiple questions that the brain asks, and that's gonna be able to allow you to set up your entire campaign fully. Like there's 8 questions that the campaign brain asks to set up your entire um, campaign messages, stages, and also you getting more clarity about who are you're targeting, what is the main outcome you want to achieve, and as you show at the very end, he basically tells you like each of the stages that he's gonna go through when handling the conversations um, through the prospects, right? And this goes into who's your target? Who are you targeting right now
Yeah,
with this campaign?
absolutely. So my aim with this campaign is to get in and help coaches, consultants, anybody with mentorship groups, coaching groups, just looking to hone in on their target audience. Because a lot of times, and this is the problem we're trying to solve, a lot of people in the coaching space are absolutely phenomenal at the coaching, but what they don't want to do is the rest of what it takes to get those people into your cohort. So, whether they have a medium ticket, high ticket offer, whatever, the goal is to sit down and provide a path for the coaches to fill up their calendars with qualified appointments. That way, they do not have to worry about the outreach, the marketing, any of that stuff. They can just show up, do what they like doing best, which is coaching and closing their people and bringing people into their cohort, into their community, into their ether. So
Yeah. So basically, what Dex is doing, he's a reseller, right? He's basically using the system to attract his clients so he can sell the system to them, and also his service, his main offer. Uh, However, he wants to do that. He has his total rights of, um, yeah, offering what he wants. But yeah, that's his main uh drive for this outreach campaign, to target that ICP and just tell them about what he has. And so you did mention a couple of things that you went. So that so Dex already finished talking with the AI. He set up the AI set up your entire campaign. Can you show a couple of the pieces that the AI does for you after answering all the questions, please?
absolutely. So basically, it fills up. So let's just take SMS messages here, which this is awesome. I see y'all added this. This is dope. Um,
Yeah.
so it gives you each variation. So I'm on a three message outreach cadence with 1 day of rest in between. So a 5 day cycle. So
Yes.
you see, it gives me every variation, or excuse me, every day for the outreach, I get messages. So this is day one, and you get 4 variations of the initial message in your first day. So variation one, you can see the preview, variations here, which again helps variation two, three, and so on. And then we get day two, which has a different tact. And then day three, which of course is just checking in. So that the campaign set up all of this, the brain set up all of this. All
The
I did was
cadences.
back and forth to AI, which I keep telling you is the most crucial part of all. Just have a conversation, back and
Yeah.
forth.
And answer the questions and like with clarity.
Yep, with clarity, and it'll even push back. There's been some times where it's like, this is cool, but maybe we can go a level deeper. Like it pushes me to think,
All right,
more.
y'all, hold on tight. I got some absolute gas coming. Literally, just if you've not seen this yet, watch this video.
Yeah, they're
Oh, sorry, guys.
You're good, brother. You can go ahead next.
So it also sets up your ringless voicemail. You have 3 days of ringless voicemails.
Hey, this is Isabella with Ironborn Ventures.
Now, 2 ways to go about this. You can either use the voice, which I'm not going to spill the sauce on what voice they're using, but they are premium. Or you can upload yourself. You have the script, what to say here. So it's totally up to you. whether you upload your own voice or you have it here, and you get
So basically,
no, you get 3 days as well. Day one, script. Day two, script. Day three, script.
yeah, so basically Dex to just basically show you guys the two channels that we are using for this campaign, text messages and RVM. So the list of contacts that he's gonna upload right now, they're gonna get outreach through the 5 days. Well, three cadences, right? On the 5 day outreach that he established. They're gonna get a text message, a ringless voicemails day one. Day three, they're gonna get the same stuff. Ringless voicemail and text message. That's just show you guys what the campaign brain did. The campaign brain developed a copy for the different variations on each day for the text messages, and also it developed the script for the RVMs for each of the days. And Dex just display like the RVM that the AI recorded, because we have the option to just let the AI read the script itself, or you can upload your MP3 file and put it there. Cool. Also, no, go for it.
So it does the messages, and so you get your SMS messages and your RVM messages, but it also builds out your stages for you as well. So
Yeah.
each stage: unresponsive, do not disturb, not interested, disqualified, replied, interested, scheduled appointment, any no shows, any loss, any won. It builds out all the stages for you, where the pipeline will move you through the process. It would keep you track so you can see where everybody is, and it's doing this autonomously where you don't have to.
Yeah. So basically, the campaign brain not only does just the outreach messages, it also develops your stages with descriptions, and also it trains your AI agents in the backend, right? The AI agents that are going to handle the conversations via text messages and voice calls. So the AI agent is already trained on understanding how to move the prospect through the specific stages that you created for your pipeline. So that's some cool stuff that we are gonna navigate into. Just I think that's gonna be after we just display like, cool, this is how you upload your contacts. And Dex already did that. So if you go to your pipeline, Dex, real quick, uh he already imported his entire list of contacts. But the process to do that is just going to contacts and uploading your CSV, and we will format that for you. And he actually, Dex, you did got the contacts from the platform, right, itself.
Yep, contacts came
Yeah.
straight from here.
So yeah, we do also provide the to partners the contacts, enriched contacts that we partner with Propello. That's a couple of our partners' business, and they develop a process for go to market and reach leads. That they have a process for finding the leads and reaching the leads, and we have that resource in like that leverage in our system also to use it to get the contacts who run the campaigns, because that's like the core the core of all of your outreach, just the leads, the data.
It is literally a one-stop shop, guys. Like anything you could need, the system is the system. Use the system for yourself to get qualified appointments on your calendar for whatever, or use the system to sell the system. Either
Yeah.
way, it is beneficial. You need leads; those are here for you as well. It's a credit-based system. No subscription fees, no paying for access, no anything like that. It's credit-based,
Yeah.
and you'll be
I,
set up for success.
yes, sir. I've been sharing Dex Zach's story of like how he came to us a year ago looking for a system leveraging AI, a system that can do like massive volume outreach. And he knew that AI was capable of actually handling more volume than his team, faster, smarter, in some capacity, right? If you train the AI well. Like all the AIs trained in this system have been trained with data of running outreach processes with AI for almost a year and a half now. And he has his own renovation business. He came to us looking for an outreach process leveraging AI for his renovation business because he had a massive list of contacts that he wanted to do outreach to, and we basically gave him and we built him like before having this IX system. We were using tools. Well, the whole infrastructure was with N8N, Go High Level, and a bunch of other tools connected together that it was an issue working effectively, right? But to be able to translate that into the use of other partners is just a hustle. And we use that we use that system for his business. And a couple of few weeks, he basically double his revenue, double his business with the use of AI handling the volume that he had. And then I did mention also that his network started asking about what he was using, and then he decided to take the next step that he was reselling the actual system, and now this is the IX system for his other renovation partners, right? And he's now at 90K in like 3 months. I don't want to say 3 months because it's less than that, but yeah, it's just another level. So you can use this system for your business, or if you want to go and find or develop an offer or surrounded a client acquisition system that gets results, you can do that too, leveraging this, acquiring your clients and also selling the system as your main offer. So I think we're good to go. We're good to click on launch more, I guess.
Woo! Campaign Brain says you're ready to launch, so I'm gonna do it.
All right, people, little pause in the video before we go into showing other things about Dex campaign. But first, you just heard me talk about Zach. Zach, he's right now in this position of he doubled his renovation business by leveraging AI in his outreach process. Also, he decided to resell the exact same system I just showed you here, and he made over 90K in less than 3 months reselling this system. So if you want to get to that point, if you want to use this system for your business, double your booking rate, double the amount of clients you can get, or if you want to develop your own offer surrounded by an AI client acquisition system that actually gets results and delivers, you can check out in the link in the description setting up your first AI sales campaign for free. You will go through the experience of setting up your entire campaign from scratch. You will get more clarity about how AI can empower you to focus on your zone of genius. Like I mentioned before, you're not here to stick 5 different tools together so you can deliver an outcome. You just need to get clarity on what you want to do, talk with the AI, and the AI will set up your entire outreach for you. So if you want to understand how SAC is in that position and how you can get there, go check out setting up your entire first AI sales campaign for free. Link in the description. Peace. Let's go.
Oh boy, launch more. We're sending everybody, baby, everybody. 297. Launch now. Outreach starts today. So here's our cadence, just so you can see. 3 outreach days, again with a rest day in between. We're only doing during business hours. So that's 9 to, what is that? 9 to 5.
9 to 5.
Yep, 9 to 5. I'm in Chicago, so that's my time zone, and rest day in between. Here we go, baby. Launch.
Because your entire campaign is connected to your calendar, right? So if you get a schedule, yeah, you have your calendar connected.
I got my own calendar set in here, so anytime I get a meeting, it will get booked out on my calendar right here. And I have a Source of Truth calendar and a bunch of other calendars connected. Right now, it's just Google that you can set, but I think other calendars are coming in the future. So I will look out for the Apple calendar. That's the one I'm hoping and looking for.
Do you actually use Apple Calendar more than Google?
Yeah. Apple Calendar is my main Source of Truth calendar.
Okay.
But for the purposes of this, I spun up a Google Calendar, use my
Okay.
Apple Calendar as a, what do you call it? Right of refusal or check and see if you're booked on that Google Calendar. So it's all connected now. So all my calendars, all my dates, it'll show my availability exactly what it is, and then we'll go from there.
Cool. All right. So at this point now, you just launched how many contacts to the system? Alright.
297.
Cool. So if you take a look at the pipeline, you will see that all contacts got moved to outreach one. So that's cool. Um, cool. So now this context, they're gonna get launched through the cadences, right? And I think we can show them like Dex, just you talking with the text agent and the voice agent, just handling the replies back on your side. Yeah. I think we can. So basically, Dex already pushed himself as a test contact. So he already tested the agents if they reply back, if they're properly trained to what they have to do. But I think for the purpose of the video, I think you can just uh, call the number that you just got outreach. Let's go.
Hi, Dex. This is Ro. Can you hear me okay?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Hey, Dex. I'm calling from Ironborn Ventures. I saw you requested that demo link earlier. Did you get a chance to click through and see the campaign we built for you yet?
I did get a chance to click through the link, so thank you for that. Can you tell me a little bit more about this process and how it works?
Definitely. Basically, we built a custom AI agent that handles all your outbound prospecting and appointment setting. Instead of you spending hours on LinkedIn or email, the AI has natural conversations with your ideal clients and books them directly onto your calendar. It's way easier to show you how the back end looks and how we tailor it to your specific offer. What city are you in? I'll check my calendar and we can walk through it together.
I am in Chicago.
Checking my calendar for some times that work for us to chat. I've got availability tomorrow at 1 p.m., Wednesday at 10 a.m., or Thursday at 2:30 p.m. Do any of those work for you?
Tomorrow at 1 p.m. should be good.
Perfect. So tomorrow at 1 p.m., should I lock that in for you?
Please.
Locking in your appointment for tomorrow at 1 p.m.
Thank you very much. I appreciate it.
Cool. Locks tomorrow at 1 p.m. We'll send a confirmation text. Let me know if you have any questions. Looking forward to it, Dex.
Me too.
Awesome. Talk then. Have a good one.
You too. Bye bye.
Soon. Bye.
And there you go.
There you go.
And as you can see,
So
right there, bang, meeting on the calendar.
beautiful. So a couple of things that I just want to touch on. If you go to inbox, the agent already was saying that he sent you the link right through the experience. And if you check that out already, so the reason why he's saying that is because there's like we have the connection, there's a connection of conversation, so there's like a contextual memory between the text and the voice. So if someone already talks with AI through text and it then jumps on another call, it already knows the context of your conversation. So that's why it was saying that at the very beginning. In a bit, Dex, you're gonna get the actual call display here of your conversation. Is just it just takes a couple of minutes. Um, But yeah, that was great. A couple of things that I just want to mention. At this point, when you have like the conversations with the AI, you go back and forth. You just test the actual way of how she's communicating, right? Um, you could see like a couple of things that may not be very much the best for the AI to say. And what you can do now is you can just go back with your campaign brain for your specific campaign and tell the AI, tell the campaign brain to, hey, I don't want the AI to say this or continue the conversation in this way. Yeah, you can do all of that. And the cool thing that we're seeing right now is people are replying in real time
Yeah,
to the
yeah, yeah.
campaign.
We love that.
All right, I think like how long it took you to set up the campaign though?
Man, so the initial setup of the campaign, probably 20 minutes, maybe 30
Okay.
minutes. And then once the campaign was set up and we started to talk strategy, that's where we really got into some good time. So that was probably another hour or two, I would say, just talking back and forth with the campaign brain, just iterating and making sure that the copy sounded great. Everything that we work with just sounded great. So yeah, I mean, just that getting that initial one out was, like I said, probably about 20 minutes, but probably another hour and a half to 2 hours just having a conversation with the brain and really dialing things in. It's so much that
Cool.
it can do.
All right. All right, Dex. Appreciate it. Thank you so much.
We are launched,
Let's
baby.
see. We are launched. Let's see how this campaign performs. Hopefully, we're getting some cool people coming through.
Me too.
But yeah, that was all. I think you guys got just the concept of launching the campaign, the whole process. Dex, thank you so much for going
Absolutely.
through all of this. And yeah, I hope I see you guys in the next video. Leave a like, subscribe. If you have any questions, just drop them down below and connect on LinkedIn. Connect on also with Dex on LinkedIn. He's active there,
Very much.
and he will gladly accept the connection. So I will leave his LinkedIn, and I will leave your LinkedIn in the description though.
Thank you, brother.
So cool beans. All right. See you guys in the next one. Appreciate it. Peace, love, prosperity, and ciao, ciao.